Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode we will be building part 1-29 rear axle box stud for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get designing. Welcome back to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex, and let's keep building the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So this episode we're going to be working on part 1-29 rear axle box stud. Now we've got this one plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to do, then we can start assembly. So very shortly we can start assembling what we've done so far. Right now, let's get into the rear axle box stud. Okay, I'm going to do the top. Doesn't matter which one really. And this one's quite simple. So we're going to do a circle. Smart dimensions. It's going to be 5. And it's going to be a length of 132. Feature mid 132 and done. Now we want to do a thread up top, so we want to do thread. It's the thread, there is. So pick that one, and it's going to be 17 and done. There's that one. Beautiful. Now we do another thread at the bottom. Do that one, but this one's going to be 30 and done. There we go, and there's that part done. So I think you come along. That's pretty easy. So there's going to be some small parts on here. Somebody's probably wondering why I don't just put them all together. I'm keeping each part a separate video. That way if somebody has trouble on a part, they can just go straight to that video. Don't need to watch a heap of stuff they don't need. So that's why I'm keeping each part a separate video. Make it easier for anyone to find. Also too, if they have a problem with that, they can go to that video. Any comments in there, they might help as well. So that's why I'm keeping these videos as one video per part. So thanks again for coming along. I do appreciate it. Oh, before we do, remember save. 1-29. 28's the last one. 28's the last one. Yeah, go for that. It wasn't there. Oh, rebuild and save. Oh yeah, that's just rebuilding and save. There's no errors. You just have to rebuild. So if there's any errors, I'll be telling you on that. So don't peek on that. You just had to recalculate a few things or something. I don't fully understand that part, but that's fine. Anyway, thank you for coming along. I do hope you enjoyed it. Click that like button if you enjoyed. If you want to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for everyone that has subscribed, and welcome new subscribers. That's it. If you've got any questions, not too sure on something, you want something a bit more explained, or you want me to do a video on a specific thing, I will be happy to do that. Leave them in the comments below. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.